Well, hello, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, big hello to you. If you like planning, crafting, arty stuff and the occasional vlog and haul video, click the subscribe button. I'm itching very close to 1,000 now, which is really exciting. So as this video goes on, I shall talk about that and reveal something that I might do when I get to 1,000. So this is going to be a Poundland craft haul. As you can see, there's a lot to get through. Some of it you may have already seen. So I do like to kind of put on record with you guys the stuff that I've got, and then you can sort of request to see me make things, or you know what to expect to see me make things out of. So I'm going to move all this to one side, and we shall start with the Let's Celebrate collection. Okay, shall we start with the paper pad? I was really excited when I saw this in Poundland, and it's kind of excited me that there's a lot of brands at the moment that seem to be bringing out birthday collections. Trimcraft have brought out 2. They've got Make-A-Wish, of which I've yet to get the full collection. I would like to. I've got the vellum pad though, and also they obviously did the first edition Let's Celebrate paper pads, and there's various other people that are doing birthday collections, and I'm loving it. So it's called Let's Celebrate as well. 6x6, 8 designs, 24 sheets, 120 GSM, so it's more like thick paper, and it's acid and is that lining free. Basically means you can use it for scrapbooking with photographs. So that's an overview, but I will give you a quick flip. So lovely. It's kind of like heart bunting or lights on strings on a mint background. This one I think is my favourite. It's the envelopes, because you could fussy cut some of those as well. And then you've got the amazing Congrats, Yay, Celebrate. Again, you could cut these into little phrase ephemera. So really gorgeous. Love the colours. They did this stamp set as well, of which you get 3 clear stamps, and for £1 I think this is amazing. You get the balloons that say Let's Party, you get a shooting star and a Just For You banner. I'm actually looking forward to having a go at embossing these and seeing what they turn out like. You get some mini buntings, 100 pieces in here, and you get some twine in there as well. So you get a mixture of sizes, some scalloped ones, and a mixture of patterns and colours as well to make some little bunting, some mini bunting. It's really good for cards. On the same kind of level, we've got some printed tags. So you get 12 of these, and of course you can just use these as tags. I love the one with the envelope on, or you can use these as ephemera. You get some wooden frames, and these are the 2 designs that you get, so the light blue and the pink with the yellow stripe, and you get 6 of these. I've never actually used these in a project, and I would like to, so I picked them up to challenge myself. There are some resin flowers. You get 11 of these in the yellow and the pink in 2 different styles of flower. You get the adhesive pearls in 4 different colours. I'm hoping that's coming out okay. Not 4, 3 different colours. You get the normal kind of white pearl colour, you get a pink and like an emerald green, I would say that was. I got the pack of mini bows, and you get this kind of coral and this yellow with polka dots on. You get 40 flags and 20 sticks, so of course you could use these to pop into cupcakes, or you could use these as ephemera. There's absolutely no reason why you couldn't. So just to give you an idea, there's a few designs, and if you didn't already know, you'd fold them around your stick, and you can use, like I said, you can use them on cupcakes, but also if you've got some dimension on your projects and you've got anything up on foam tape, you can slot these behind to poke out the top. Really pretty designs that match the papers. Also, you could cut these up as well if you just wanted to use them. You could put them next to each other as like photo mats. Like, the possibilities are endless with these ones. Okay, I got some of the sentiment toppers, so you get 8 in 2 phrases. So happy birthday and congratulations in pink and mint. I got the buttons. There's 50 plastic buttons here in 4 colours. So you've got the mint, the pink, the yellow and the white. And last but no means least, the washi tape. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm not going to get it out because it's not underneath anything shiny, but this one just says happy birthday. This one's like confetti, and this one is the candles, which I must say is my favourite. I absolutely love it. So my little announcement is I'm in the process of getting hold of some more of this. I'm hoping to get the full collection again, and I will be giving it all away. Hopefully one of each item. I'm going to do a separate video, so I will, if I've not been able to get hold of all of it, I will say what's included in the giveaway in a separate video. But once I reach 1,000, I am going to do that giveaway. And because I don't think it would take up too much space in a padded envelope, because I'd probably depackage these, I will be opening it internationally as well. I haven't done an international giveaway on my channel yet, but 1,000 is a pretty good time to do that, I think. So make sure you're subscribed, and that video will be coming very shortly. I believe I'm something like 6 or 7 people away from 1,000. So it'll be very soon, so look out for that. So to go with that, Poundland started doing these. So I got the alphabet stickers, so in the gold and the silver, because I think for £1 this is fantastic. You get at least 3 of each letter, which is amazing. But they also did numbers, and I think this is great, especially with a birthday kit, because you've just got your numbers right there for doing birthday cards and things like that. Also, these would be amazing to pick up for October dailies and December dailies, and project life in general if you're the type of person that likes to put dates on. Absolutely amazing. So I had to get one of each colour and of each set. So look out for those in Poundland, guys. Those are amazing. Okay, so I'm going to go on to the Christopher Robin collection. I know a lot of you will have already seen it, so I'm going to try and do it really quickly. So I managed to get all 3 of the paper pads, so I'm just going to give you a quick look at these. So this is the foil one. I'm hoping it's going to come up okay, but it's very London themed as well. Some really, really cute imagery, and this is obviously in the gold. These are lovely. You could frame some of these as well for a gift. That would be really nice, especially for like a baby's bedroom or something like that. That would be really nice. I love the little London buses and things like that. These would be also be amazing to make mini albums out of, especially the full page ones. Would make nice covers and things like that. Absolutely gorgeous. And so that's 2 times 9 designs. Doesn't say the GSM on it though, but I would say it's probably 200. And then I got the embossed one. So obviously you probably won't be able to tell on camera, but it's embossed, so it's raised. Some of these ones with the quotes on are really, really gorgeous. So again, 2 of each design. I'm just trying to flip through them quickly. This would be lovely to document a trip to London. Be really, really cute. I have not actually seen the film yet. I love the little London bus thing. Eeyore and Piglet. Yellow and red is not really my thing, but I couldn't resist this collection because I'm always thinking of what can I have in my stash that would be good for other people as well. I like to have a variety of stuff, and this is just the normal one. So this is 3 times 12 designs, and it's 160 GSM. Fluff and stuff. And again, it's some repeated patterns, but there's some journaling spots as well. Really, really nice. Make lovely pocket letters, mini albums. Like I said, you could frame some of these as well. Really, really nice. No one can be uncheered with a balloon. I love that. Although I'm frightened of balloons popping. And then some writing space. And even like, just like a little letter you could use that for. I love the acorn ones. So yeah, that's those. I got the tape also. This is, I believe it's like paper tape. I'm not sure, I've not opened it yet. But that's just a little look at what that looks like. You could punch out of this or fussy cut bits out of it. I got the 12 cards with the foil print and 12 envelopes, and I'm thinking I will make 1 or 2 really small mini albums with this because I absolutely adore it. I got the pearl stickers, so these are very similar to when they did the Disney Princess and the Minnie and Mickey Mouse. I did get a lot of that as well, but I got very busy and didn't end up doing a haul for it, and it's too late now because it's not available. I don't like showing things that aren't still available. I've seen both of these collections still available in my local ones. I got the square letter stickers because I thought these were really adorable. I'm not going to open them, but they're basically just letter tiles with some background, and some of them are just the pictures as well, and you get 60 of those. I got 3 packs of the embellishments because obviously embellishments are always the things that go quickest, and I was thinking about really quick and easy pocket letters, and obviously the mini album with the cards, and I thought this would be a great addition to do that. So it's 8 pieces per pack, and I bought 3 of those. I picked up the decorative stencils kind of just because it was the last one there, and I figured I might be able to do something with it. I think they might be interesting to use as just cards. I probably won't use them as stencils, but to use them as cards in mini albums with pattern paper behind the stencil, something like that. I'm not entirely sure, but I picked it up anyway. I got the gift tags, and I only got 1 pack of these because you get 36 in here, so 4 different designs. So of course you could just use them as gift tags, so you could make cards out of the rest of it and have matching gift tags for your gifts, or just use them as ephemera, which is probably what I'm going to do. I got the tile alphabet stickers. The only thing I didn't get from this collection is was the foiled alphabets, because in all honesty I feel like that's where Poundland have let down, or whoever's responsible for creating these collections lets them down, because I feel like everything else is such nice quality, and then the foiled alphabet stickers, in my opinion, are a bit tacky. I believe Grace of Miss Paper Lover fame has the same opinion on that. So I just got the tile ones. And then lastly, I got the A4 glittered decoration pack. So these are just pop-out circles. They're glittered with different images. And again, I thought for doing pocket letters or doing mini albums, I thought these would be great because you could turn these into tuck spots as well. In mini albums and things like that. So, just grabbed a couple of things for background. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're looking forward to seeing me create some stuff with these. Be sure to subscribe if you've not already, and look out for the giveaway video where I'm going to give away some, if not all, of this Let's Celebrate collection. I'm really excited about that, and until my next video, I shall speak to you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!